Hello there, welcome to my vlog once again. Today I'm gonna show you and we will try this viral Korean rice water. Mostly they use for skin whitening, brightening as a toner too. It's really good. Here I'm taking 1 cup of any kind of rice. You need to wash it nicely with any kind of tap water. Just any kind of rice, that doesn't matter. You have to wash it like 3 times to 4 times. At the very last, fourth time, you can keep that water and use it as a toner on your face or face water. It has got so many skin benefits. Most of the Koreans use this, so I just want to try and share with you. Okay, this looks so wonder, and this works wonder on your face skin or any kind of skin. You can use it on your hair too. It makes your skin so rejuvenating. And it doesn't have any kind of effect, but you have to use it consistently in order to see that result. It can take like a week to months to see the results. So this is my go-to daily face ritual and skin ritual, guys. So this is for the fourth time. We are going to keep the water, and water looks something like this. So this is the last time, fourth time you can keep the water. Water looks something like this, clear and white water. It helps to whiten your face skin too, and you can use that as toner on your face, or it works as a miracle for skin whitening, and it softens your skin. It brings your skin to the youth, helps to brighten up your skin too. Just give it a try, guys. This is really nice, affordable, cheap toner or anything. You can use it as a cleanser or face wash too. Try it after washing your face or using as a spray toner. Every time you have to dab it, let it dry on itself. Let your skin absorb all the water. Thank you, guys. Have a good day. Like, share, and subscribe for more.